So I'm going to show you how to use it. So it comes with two tubes. One is your gel and one is your fibers. I'm going to try to get this real close in here. Okay, so we start with the gel. And you put it on just like normal mascara. So you come in here. This is going to be really hard to do on a computer. And you just go from the base of your lashes to the bottom. And this is difficult because it's totally backwards on me, but I will continue to try. And you want to get the tops and the bottoms because you're going to apply the fibers on top of it. And then you're going to reapply the gel to make it stick. And I need a mirror. I need a mirror. Okay. Let's try this again. Okay, this is so much easier when you're actually looking at what you're doing. Okay, so like I said, you apply the gel first, and look at this already. This really just gets you your lashes in order, and the gel is what's going to hold the 3D fibers on. So a little trick with the fibers is once you get them out, you don't want them to get in your eyes. So I take my hand and I roll them so that when I apply them, they won't flake off into my eye. And I like to apply the fibers about halfway down. A little tip that I learned actually the other day, like I said, I am still learning, is that you should always clean off this brush. Like it was getting cakey and I was like, this is ridiculous. I was getting upset. And then I had cleaned off all of my other brushes. And I was like, what if I clean this off? And so I just like ran it under water and then let it dry. And voila, like it's a whole brand new thing again. Super excited. Look at that. And the cool thing is I can go back if I wanted to. See, I like this length. Any longer and I'd be like, what? So I like this, but you can go back and put fibers on again and keep reapplying fibers and gel, fibers and gel, fibers and gel. But I actually just, the one suits me, and I feel like I'm not wasting it because that's how I, kind of a cheapo sometimes. Not that it's not good product. Literally, I've tried to, so I've bought, the backstory behind the mascara for me is that before I finally like bought the 3D mascara from Younique, before I was a Younique presenter, I had went to Target and literally bought 5 mascaras. So I have like 5 Target mascaras that have never been used. And, well, they have, but they irritated my eyes, or it just didn't do what I wanted it to do, or whatever it was. So sometimes, or when I was getting frustrated with this because it wouldn't, because I needed to wash the brush, it was like ridiculous. I was trying to go back and I was like, oh, I already have it, I already bought it, I might as well not waste my money. That's how I feel about a lot of things in life. And so I went and tried to use it, and it irritated my eyes. It ran down my face in the shower, and so when I got out, I had to like scrub, you know how it is, you have to like scrub it off of your face, super annoying. And so like I was like, why am I doing this? Like I have this amazing mascara, why am I not using it? And so I just kind of like figured it out. Figured out that I needed to clean my brush off. And you can tell, I mean, it makes sense because like you're using the gel brush tip to hold the fibers in place, so it makes sense that some of the fibers are going to get on the gel brush. And if they get stuck together, you can like take a Q-tip or something. I like them to be like curled up a little bit, and you can use a curler. They freak me out, so I just try to use the brush to use it. And then I don't even put fibers on the bottom. Like I literally just put like a little bit of gel on the bottom. And I make funny faces when I put it on. I go, ooh. Voila. 3D Fiber Mascara. Look at those lashes. I love it. Like, I literally love it. There's a reason why it's so popular. So if you have any questions about how to apply it, another tip with the mascara is, and this is super important, another way to get the fibers off is to soak this in warm water in a cup for about a minute before you apply it. So I like, when I'm doing my brows or something, I will soak this, and then that will help to apply it as well. So there you go.